Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Thank you for coming this afternoon. As you know that we are giving out two more certificates under the Civil Marriage Celebrant provision that we put in place a couple of years ago, where we allow individuals, upstanding members in the community, to be able to apply to become marriage officers, or celebrants as we call them, to be able to provide service to members of the public who do want to get married, wherever they want to get married, whether it's in a church or in a place of worship or in a park or in a grounds, in a hotel, wherever it can be. And they, of course, are able to charge them a particular fee for that. We've also seen that a lot of foreigners do come to get Fiji to get married, and there's a potential, of course, for more marriage tourism. And in some of the outer islands, of course, where Alipate is from, he works in one of the resorts. He can also provide those services readily available, and also in the Mamanudas, anywhere else. And of course, he can provide that service. Well, apart from the marriage celebrant provision, of course, we also have marriage officers who carry out these marriage ceremonies at the BDM offices throughout Fiji. And we, of course, intend to set up more of these. And at the same time, we have a lot of, for example, various leaders of faith-based organizations who also have marriage officers who provide that. And this is a distinction, of course, being that the marriage celebrants provide civil marriage services anywhere and to anywhere they like, and they also charge a small fee for that, which makes it a lot more attractive and convenient for members of the public. So with those few words, I'd like to now give out the certificates to these two wonderful people who become celebrants from today onwards.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.